What separates a forgettable crime story from one that keeps you up at night? It's not just a dead body on page 1. It's the detective with a secret, the suspect who seems too innocent, the clue hidden in plain sight. Great crime fiction is built carefully, deliberately, piece by piece. This course shows you exactly how to build it. You'll develop characters with real depth, construct plots that twist naturally, and learn how to plant clues your readers will only notice the second time around. From your opening scene to your final reveal, every stage is covered. This course is fully accredited by CPD quality standards, recognized proof that your learning truly counts. And the best part? You can enroll and learn from anywhere, entirely at your own pace. 9 modules, the complete craft of crime fiction, waiting for you. Start writing your story today. Your story deserves to be told.